Hello everyone and welcome to Pooja's Hive. Valentine is round the corner and love is in the air. But कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनसे हमें बिल्कुल प्यार नहीं है और वो है हमारे love handles. So today I'm going to tell you some very effective exercises to target your love handles. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja. Being a professor of marketing for to radiate this energy to a larger audience. Before we start, a quick warm up. Stand with your feet apart. We'll go inhale and raise our bodies, and we'll stand on our toes. Hold the position there for 5 seconds and then we'll slowly come down. I'll tell you how to do it. Interlock your fingers here. Breathe normally. And then exhale and slowly come down. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज एटलीस्ट 10 टाइम्स करनी है. इस एक्सरसाइज के दो फायदे हैं. एक फायदा तो आपके लिए और एक फायदा आपके बच्चों के लिए. Especially the kids who are actually trying to improve upon their height, they will gain a lot of height. Please tell your kids to do this exercise and you will see the difference. First exercise is side bends. इसके लिए आपको approximately 3 feet apart होनी चाहिए आपकी legs. आपकी right leg is going to face the right wall and left towards the front. आपको अपने hands, make sure you are not sagging your hands. Hands should be parallel to the ground. Then what we are going to do is slowly we are going to inhale and we are going to bend on this side. Make sure we are not locking our knees. We are going to bend and touch the toe. It's okay if you're not able to touch the toe. I'll tell you how to perform this. Take a deep breath, go down. You are not going to bend like this. Make sure you are bending like this. Go as far as possible you can. It's perfectly okay if you cannot touch your toe. You can touch here or here, but it has to give a good stretch over your love handles. Go down and then slowly come up. I'll repeat the other side. Also make sure that your breathing is in sync with your body movement. Breathe normally here and then exhale and come up. So this exercise you have to do at least 10 times each both sides. The next exercise is the warrior pose or the वीरभद्र आसन. इसके लिए भी सेम जैसे हम साइड बेंच के लिए खड़े हुए थे वैसे ही हमको खड़ा होना है. And then what we have to do is stretch your arms parallel to the floor and then slowly bend your knee. आपको ऐसे करना है कि आप अपने आप को राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू पुश और आपका ये जितना डिस्टेंस हो सकता है दोनों फीट के बीच में आप उतना डिस्टेंस बढ़ाएं. Try to take a good position and then slowly come up like this and look towards the ceiling. ये पोज इतना पावरफुल है कि it's going to act on your thighs, your stomach, your legs, everywhere. That is why it's also known as the complete workout pose. I'm going to repeat. Slowly take a comfortable position and then look towards the ceiling. Give a good stretch. Hold the position for 5 seconds or maybe 2 seconds if you're a beginner and then slowly come down. Again, please be very careful while you're performing this pose. Be slow because yoga में आपकी again your breathing and your body movement has to be synced together. So be slow. बट जितना आप स्लोली और जितना इफेक्टिवली आप इसको स्ट्रेच देंगे अपनी बॉडी को, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स एन एक्सीलेंट एंड अ वेरी पावरफुल एक्सरसाइज. अब नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है वो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू एक्सरसाइज है, द अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग एंड द डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, द अधोमुख आसना एंड द ऊर्ध्वमुख आसना. के लिए you need to come on your knees. Your hands should be shoulder width apart. Then what you have to do is you have to, with the help of your toes, just pick up your body. Stretch करें अपनी बॉडी को, अपने हैंड्स को, और अपनी टेल बोन को ऊपर की तरफ स्ट्रेच करते हुए स्क्वीज इन योर स्टमक, लुक टूवर्ड्स योर बेली बटन एंड देन गिव अ नाइस स्ट्रेच. और अगर आपके हील्स ग्राउंड पे नहीं टच कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट एट ऑल अ प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन जस्ट कीप स्टैंडिंग ऑन योर टोज एंड देन स्लोली कम डाउन, टच योर नीज फर्स्ट, देन slowly give a nice stretch to your neck and your stomach. And slowly go back into this position. Then back. And once you are done, then you can stretch yourself while coming back in this position. Inverted V को आपको at least 5 times करना है. If you are a beginner, आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. Be slow while performing this exercise and slowly then increase the reps. Now the next pose is the locust pose or the grasshopper pose. For this we have to lie on our stomach. Interlock your fingers ऐसे पीछे, and अब हम क्या करेंगे, slowly we are going to lift our head and our legs together like this, and we have to take a deep breath while going up and exhale while coming down. एंगेज करें अपने ग्लूट्स को, गिव अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रेच, अपनी आर्म्स को अच्छे से इंटरलॉक करके एक दूसरे की तरफ खींचिए, एंड देन ट्राई टू लिफ्ट योर लेग्स एज मच एज पॉसिबल एंड देन स्लोली कम डाउन. And while you are getting up, make sure your elbows are tucked in and slowly come up again in the upward facing dog and then again in that stretching position. Locust pose आपके love handles पे तो काम करता ही करता है, but it is very very effective for your back pain also. I remember last year जब मैं यहाँ पर आई थी, I was facing a lot of back problems and the doctor told me this locust pose, and since last year I've been practicing this and I have never faced any problems again. Especially क्या होता है, women के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा ये back problems होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं after a certain age. So I recommend कि आप ये locust pose every day करें, please, and then you'll see that all your back pain will vanish. I hope you like my video and I'm quite sure कि आप ये exercises ज़रूर करेंगे. And don't forget to see the tip of the day and don't forget to throw some love on my video and press the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you.